Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be explaining how you can place your bet on the match 1x2 or 1x2 on Betway. As you can see here, Everton, which is the home team, is going to be playing against Brentford, which is the away team. This match is going to be taking place today on the 15th of May, 5:30. And I am under the popular section of the bets, but you can also go to the other ones if you want to place your bets on them. I will just go ahead and open this section, which is the one that we're discussing, and the other ones I kept them closed just so you can clearly see everything I'm explaining. So we have Everton FC. These are the odds for Everton FC. It's 2.09. Here in the middle section, we have the draw, and these are the odds 3.40. And then to your right side, we have Brentford FC. These are the odds. So I'm going to come here and explain using what's in the brackets. The first represents the home team, and the X here in the middle represents the draw in the middle here. And then we have the 2, which represents the away team. So as you can see, all these options here, you're either going to bet for 1, or you're betting for X, or you're betting for 2. But what you can't do is bet for all of them at once. That is impossible. So you're either going to choose either one of these options here in the bracket, and then the boost over here is telling you that you're going to get a bonus out of your bet. The boost is not available for all the matches, but if you did bet on a match that has this, you're going to get a bonus. The cash out here means that you can withdraw your money or cancel the bet during the matches, so you don't have to wait until the matches are done. In a case where you wanted to bet for this team here, the home team, which is Everton FC, you're going to click on it and then it will appear on your bet slip to your right side. If you're using your mobile, then it's going to appear on the bet slip in a way that is shown in the mobile. Then you click bet now, which is the green option provided here at the bottom. If you wanted to bet for the draw, you click it, but you can't bet for 3 options or 2 options at once, because this is going to show here the thing that I'm highlighting here on the blue. If you read that, it shows you that you can't bet for everything. You have to change and bet for one thing at least. If you're going to bet for 3, it still shows that you can't do that as well. So you will have to come back here and clear out everything, and then decide which team or which possibility or which outcome you want to go for. If you're going for the draw, you click it. If you're going for Brentford, you click it. And that is how you do your bets. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.